Open your favorite browser. Go to the search bar and type Maven download. You will see the official website maven.org.download. You can also find the link in the description. Open the page. This is the official website where you can download Maven. Scroll down to the file section. Under the file section, you will find the latest version. Look for the binary zip archive. Click on the link for Apache Maven 3.9.9 bin.zip. Click on the link to start download. It is downloading now. Once it is downloaded, open the folder where you have downloaded that. You will see Apache Maven 3.9.9. Click on extract. Now let's extract it. Choose the folder where you want to extract. Click on extract. Once the extraction is complete, we now need to set up the path variable. First, open the extracted folder. Inside that folder, go to the bin folder and copy the path. Here you can see this bin folder. Go to that bin folder, copy the path. Now go to this PC, right click on it or my computer. You can also find it through the search bar. Right click on this PC, click on properties. Select advanced system setting and then click on the environment variables. In the system variable section, scroll down and click on path. Then click on edit. In the edit environment variable window, click on new and paste the copied path variable from the bin folder. I have pasted here. Then click OK to save it. Then click OK again and once more in the environment variable and system properties windows. Now go to search bar, type cmd and open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following commands to verify if Maven is installed correctly. mvn -- version. Click on enter button. If Maven is installed correctly, you should see the output similar to this. You should see the Apache Maven version. You should also see where your Maven is downloaded, in which drive. You have successfully set up Maven on your system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your friends and subscribe to Nanotech Works for more tech tutorials. If you have any question or need further help, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.